Hi, today I'm going to show you how to sign in to Moby Max. You can sign in to Moby Max on your mobile device, your phone, or on a laptop or other device. I'm showing you today on my phone. So the first thing I need to do is go to Chrome. That is my web browser, but you can use another web browser too. And I'm going to click on that. Then when I get here, I'm going to go to the top and put in the website, which is mobymax.com. And mine just came in because I've used it before. And I'm going to click on Go. Then when you get here, you're going to need to go into the sign in. Now this is a little challenging to see on the phone, but it's at the very top on the right hand side. It's an orange button that says sign in. So you're going to go there and sign in. And when you get here, the first time it actually will look a little different. First time you go in, you are going to need to put in your school code, and this is where you go the first time. And let me see if I can get this down. And so if you see down here, it says school code. Our school code is MN14975. Now, if you have been using Moby Max before, in June or July or earlier, you will have a different code. You will need to change that and put in this new code. It's the new code for the new school year. So put in that code, which is MN14975, and then click on Go down here. And then you will get to username and password. Your username is HC and your school ID number. Your password is your school ID number. In that one, there's no HC. So again, username is HC, which means Hub Center, and then your school ID number. And then the password is just the school ID number. Now I'm going to put that in. So HC, and then the user ID number, the school ID number. And then I'm going to put in my password. And remember, the password is only the ID number. And now when we get in here, there you go. It should show your first name, and then you will go to the assignments that your teacher has for you. And that's how you get into Moby Max.